And good Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Today we bring rain back into the forecast across central Indiana. It stays mild with temperatures right around 80 degrees, but look for these scattered showers and storms to move through. Now, the bulk of the rain falls throughout the morning hours. Once we get past the noon hour, any steady rain or widespread rain should come to an end. But what we have to look out for this afternoon is just some isolated storms that'll develop across parts of the area. It's these isolated storms that will have the potential to be strong to severe, with wind being the main threat as they make their way through the area. By midnight, the severe threat will come to an end. But the Storm Prediction Center does have us under the marginal risk for severe weather. That's the lowest threat level. Again, it's just an isolated storm with the potential of some gusty winds. Be aware of that if you're going to be out and about. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, but still right around 80 degrees for your high temperature. Cooler on Friday with showers and storms as a cold front comes through, but the weekend looks great. Lots of sunshine. Cool on Saturday at 68. A cool start to race day at 48, but 75 and sunshine by the afternoon.